And this is the burger press. This is everything that came in the box. I've got some paper patty separators, as they say. You've got the unit itself, the press, made out of metal. You've got adjustments on the top, on the bit hard to see on the bolt here. There's a quarter, a third, and there's half a pound of burger. You adjust it by simply turning this, and as you look in here, you can see as I turn it, it's getting less and less, so you can actually make a patty to the size that you actually like, and then you just simply, once you get it to the size you want, you just simply lock the little locking ring in place, and you'll get consistent results. Now I'm going to wash this, and I'm going to put it to the test, and we'll see whether it's any good or not. I've got the hamburger press, and we'll put a bit of paper down, grab a patty, put it on the top, put another bit of paper on the top, maybe in here perhaps, and let's close it over and see what it does. This is set to a quarter pounder, so that's good so far. We'll put that there. We'll continue doing the rest, and we'll come back once it's finished. And worked perfect. I've got 3 in the pan, and the rest are going into the freezer. And we've got 2 perfect patties underneath the hamburger buns, and I've got myself a decent meal. I'm going to go and eat it right now.